You could be the answer. Are you a creative thinker with an eye for design? What if I told you there's a way to turn your talent into a thriving side hustle that earns you passive income? With the growing demand for customizable templates, solopreneurs and small business owners are looking for quick, budget-friendly solutions, and you could be the answer. Stick around, because today we're diving into the step-by-step guide to creating and selling design templates that stand out and make money. A passive income side hustle you can do from your couch. The demand is definitely going to grow. How to get started. Small business owners are often responsible for every component of their business, including content creation. Many build audiences by posting on social media and writing newsletters, for example. It's a lot of work to do alone. The volume of content that people are creating and pushing out into the world today is insane, says Angelique Rewers, CEO of small business consulting firm Bold House. That's why many solopreneurs will find ways to cut costs and time, like buying customizable graphic templates for their various material instead of hiring a graphic designer or trying to build the graphics themselves. I utilize those kinds of services anytime I need to build something quickly, says Michaela Okome, host of the Side Hustle Pro podcast. If you have a knack for graphic design and are keen to build a side hustle that can provide some passive income, here's how to dive in. Create templates for social media, websites, ebooks. You can create templates for a variety of platforms like Instagram, social media, websites, ebooks, e-learning courses, says Rewers, or for blogs, LinkedIn posts, even for physical products. Some designers create packaging templates customers can print out and use. You can make templates for people launching their own line of skincare, for example, says Rewers. Many creators use Canva to design the templates, as the site lets you send each buyer a unique link with a set which they can then customize for their needs. Demand is definitely going to grow. Do some research on sites like Canva, Etsy, and Creative Market to see what kinds of templates people sell, how they sell them, individually or in packages, for example, and how much they sell them for. One social media set with 20 templates goes for $5.67 on Etsy, for example. Another set with 120 Instagram templates goes for $165 on Creative Market. When you're ready to start selling, keep in mind that each site has its own fees and stipulations. Etsy charges 20 cents for every item listed on its site, for example, as well as a 6.5% fee per sale, based on the price of your item. Creative Market charges a 50% fee on each sale. On Canva, designers' work must be registered and accepted by the site. Designers then earn royalties every time their design is used. However, you decide to dive in, no demand for these types of templates is definitely going to grow, says Okome. That's how you can turn your creativity into a profitable side hustle, all while helping small business owners save time and effort. If you're ready to dive into the world of template creation, the demand is only growing, so don't wait. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more actionable tips to fuel your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, keep creating and keep thriving.